It's like the last 25 minutes, 20 minutes going into Boise here. I'm really getting excited. I couldn't have asked more from my driving partners here. Riding side saddle on the Tambourine, we've got Bingo. And then riding in the back, see if I can zoom in here. We got Crookshanks there. We should have Owen on the bottom. And it's been 4 straight days that they have been in the car. Well, not straight days. We've taken lots of breaks too. But we made the journey in 4 days, and check Bingo out. I mean, he is just doing unbelievably. And what's been the fun thing about this all, and I'm sure that the audio is really crappy with the road noise here, but one of the coolest things is as I'm driving along the road, there's been a lot of cars that speed up to look over and say, did I really see what I thought I saw in that passenger side? Which is kind of funny. I wish I had Bingo doing his little high five or his little wave on command. He does do that, but that would have been kind of a funny thing. But anyway, very, very excited. Look to bring this in, bring it home, and greet Hillary with a big, huge kiss. PT out.